Hi everyone, I'm Ajit Prabhakar, Solution Consultant at Tech Data. Let's dive into the world of intelligent design and precision drafting. In this tutorial, we'll explore how professionals turn ideas into reality using powerful digital design tool. Now, AutoCAD isn't just a designing platform, it's a complete value package. So, what makes it stand out? It's the differentiating commands that go beyond the basics, the specialized toolset for different industries, and support of a global community of creators and innovators. We as Autodesk and Tech Data help our customers take their design work further boosting productivity, improve accuracy, and speed up the entire design process compared to other tools out there. Now, it's time to see AutoCAD in action. Let's dive into how it drives real outcomes. Let's go.
Now, let's begin. First, why AutoCAD is being trusted by millions. Key features that makes AutoCAD more flexible and more user-friendly to improve our designers' efficiency. AutoCAD toolset, one specific toolset that satisfies the requirement of all industries. Community benefits that helps through which we support, we connect, we grow, we inspire. AutoCAD stands out from other CAD platforms primarily due to its widespread industry acceptance, extensive 2D and 3D functionalities. It's a versatile tool that provides solutions on various industries, focusing on precision, detailing, and technical documentation. Here are more that why what makes AutoCAD trusted by millions. AutoCAD provides an excel creating precise drawings, schematics, and technical documentations. AutoCAD offers multiple automation and customizable toolbars that allows users to streamline their workflows and personalize their experiences. To improve our efficiency, we are here to provide you major benefits or how we can make sure our productivity could be increased a lot. Starting with collaboration. Collaboration on a design changes are now faster. There are multiple commands that are available in AutoCAD, such as trace, that helps you to update on a real time changes within your team. That is more efficient and more effective as well. Speaking of blocks, yes, we are aware blocks is a bigger part in AutoCAD designing, and designers they use multiple blocks in their designs. And why not? There are multiple instances that help designers to count individual blocks in the drawings. There are multiple options that could help designers to count instances in a single object, count instances as a block, and also count objects and blocks within an area. X references are a bigger potential advantage where you'll be able to find there are various varieties that could identify and visualize the difference between the attached X references and the reference drawings in a file. You can now use XREF compare file that helps you to navigate changes with an option to see the right changes compared to the specified drawing. The major advantage of using the extra files is that you can attach your XREF link in the model space specified to your drawing. The changes that have been made or done in the reference drawing automatically gets reflected in the current drawing whenever it has been opened. Apart from that, we do have one of the most potential tool, that is reusing the design content. The contents that includes blogs, multiple items which we repeatedly utilize could be saved as a libraries. That is where we use our repeated content in our designs. In AutoCAD, this potential method that helps designers to improve their efficiency to a next level. Design and annotation. design and adaptation that helps designers to improve the AutoCAD, which has been helps customers or the designers to create or work on a multiple 2D drafting and 3D modeling and technical documentation. It is a widespread across industries that makes AutoCAD as a common language in design and documentation. AutoCAD Industries accepts the and ensures the collaboration and data sharing with other professionals using the same softwares. So the automation in your designs are very easier for all the designers to work with. Automation in features and customization in your toolbars are a bigger part here. So when we speak of designing the software's toolbars makes a bigger part of action where we have to search for tools and work for the features in our drawings. But using AutoCAD, it is made easier, the streamlined workflows and the personalized experience for a designer that improves our designing capability and also efficiency in the providing the accurate drawing for your organization. Customization is a tool, is an option that could be done even in tool palettes that are more relevant for the commands, and also it helps user to maintain their efficiency and enhancing the user productivity of the designs. It is not only that we have multiple features, we are here to speak up top functionalities or top some of the features that could improve the efficiency for the designers, starting with purge, drawing compare, activity insight, audit, data extraction, auto lisp, design center, and hatches. These are some of the top features in AutoCAD, which could be which is a major advantage. Each and every designers who are working day in day out, they definitely could utilize these features. And these features are not specific for any industries. It is common for across all industries for all the designers who are working in their designing field. We'll discuss in detail, starting with purge. Purge is an bigger potential software feature that helps you to uh, bring an efficiency by eliminating the unwanted and unpotential harmful data to be removed. Yes, that could be done in purge feature, making sure to run the purge feature often so that your drawing files will be very safe and secure. The advantage of redesigned purge command in this current version that could help you on easily managing the non-purgeable items and remove multiple items unneeded all at once. There are multiple options in purge command which helps you to identify purgeable items and non-purgeable items. These two differentiations that could definitely reduce your entire file size which you are involving in your designs. Reducing a file size, yes, audit is also one of the major command. Auditing that is done in the software that helps you to describe the problems in a drawing file. The recommendations of the correct drawing are often rectified. You can also start auditing your drawing with a specification that helps a program to fix the problem whenever it is getting encountered. So don't hesitate to utilize the purge command, audit command, because this particular command could also be an advantage to work to get a collaboration to work with purge and also with audit. Drawing compare that actually helps you to give a quick references between the drawings. Drawing compare allows you to give a major advantage that gives a toggle between on and off feature, and any changes that you make that gets reflected in your drawing in a real time. You can even bring objects that have been compared in your old drawings, and you can bring the objects in the live drawings as well. Drawing compare can also insert revision clouds. It can also help you to bring your most out of it, where it speeds up the change process and predefining color, style, size preferences, and more importantly, it could import the changes in the real time scenario. When we speak of extraction, AutoCAD is a major benefit here. Data extraction using AutoCAD that could help you to extract the major advantage of extracting the data in form of Excel file formats. It is not just an Excel file formats, it gets integrated within the drawing that provides block and also attribute data. AutoCAD provides a facility to list down what are all the data changes or what are all the extractions that could be done in that could be extracted in an AutoCAD table or even in the Microsoft Excel file, that is .xls file. Data center, you can access their access content that we are utilizing in a repeated designing process. You can easily create a tool palette within your design center that could help you to access your content without any data loss. You can also make use of design center to import almost all any content from other drawings such as styles, layouts, xrefs, and much more. You can find it is one of the bigger advantage in a smaller icon, we can say. Most important, it helps you to drill down the content that you want in any specific need. Often using the design content could actually improve your efficiency of adding content to your drawing or attaching your extra files. Activity insight is one of the major advantage of providing you the data of a drawing that has been accessed not only inside the AutoCAD drawing but also outside. So if there is any changes that has been made, such as renaming your file or using powerful commands such as purge or audit, or even you are saving that particular file, yes, AutoCAD Activity Insight will give you an insight of your entire drawings. In this new advantage of AutoCAD 2026, that gives you a detailed output, what are all the corrections that are being made respective to your file size, and most effectively it is already available in the start bar directly. So start tab directly. So it gives a clear cut idea on what are all the changes that are being made, on what period of time, on how many users, who are all the users, and most effectively you can find it as a revision cloud that is more effective, and you can bring back those data into live action. Autolisp that provides thousands of pre-drawn or pre-written programs that are already created on basis of AutoCAD. So if you are working any on a common data or any repeated task or any different data, yes, Autolisp is a potential software that program that helps you to create and run your multiple instances in a short period of time. AutoCAD provides you with thousands of pre-written programs that are being inbuilt in AutoCAD for you to access. Hatches, I believe hatches is one of the beautiful command I personally love the most, because adding or creating hatches that could need multiple uh, pre-drawn shapes earlier, but hatching in 2026 has been improved to a greater extent. Attaching or hatching in AutoCAD, it is a fundamental method of highlighting and um accelerating the data of an object in an area of a drawing. But AutoCAD 2026 provides a flexibility on when the hatches could be included in a ability along the path. But earlier in 2021, if I'm not wrong, this task was a normal require. You just need to offset from a defined path. You can provide. You should. We have to need the boundaries for providing the hatches. Now all these data are no longer required. This is more relevant and efficient for adding new path, or adding hatches in a new path is more effective in this current version, since hatches without any predefined boundaries, now those data could also be created more effectively, including the hatches that used in the offset command to determine the width of the hatch along the area or along the additional line. The polylines are enclosures in a boundaries. They are more potential and more effective by utilizing the current version of AutoCAD hatches in this current version. AutoCAD, as we said, AutoCAD earlier has become one software solution for multiple industries. This particular tool set that gives you an ability to work around, or it gives a satisfaction on bringing multiple solutions in a single platform. By utilizing the toolset features, there are say for example, there are 7 different tool sets that are available on a single purchase. So that is one of the major benefit, where you can actually work on the assistance, or we can say working on the efficiency of multiple industry softwares in a single platform. AutoCAD toolset is one of the major benefit for multiple industries. Now let me take you across various toolset features, starting with architecture. Architectural toolset that gives a overall productivity to around 61%. This particular toolset is an access for you to make use of around 8,000 plus intelligent architectural symbol libraries. They are more effective because every designers in terms of architects, they need this specific architectural objects. They are more intelligent features that have been enabled. And automate your floor plans, section plans, and elevations. This process of automation in your design process is no longer a tedious task, because AutoCAD architectural is a complete 3D solution for your designs. Mechanical tool set. When we are into manufacturing industry, we utilized AutoCAD in the beginning, right? So we have seen how fast or how efficient our older AutoCAD were. We were now we can give you a bigger solution here on utilizing mechanical toolset. Mechanical toolset is more potential, that gives you an access to around 7 lakh library items, such as part, features, and symbols. When we refer to part, features, and symbols, they are different categories. The parts that includes your fasteners, the features that includes types of nuts or the threads we utilize, the slots we create in. So there are different features that we create based on the standards, based on the needs for your designs. And the last one is the symbols. When we speak of symbols, yes, the symbols for our designs are again a potential for the designers. Here in AutoCAD mechanical toolset, it is a complete 2D but an automated 2D manner. There we can find the solutions that have been improved in the path of creating the drawings, and most effectively we can find AutoCAD is been improving to a greater level of designing transaction by utilizing AutoCAD mechanical toolset. It helps you to auto generate the machine components and create the bill of materials in a much more faster and more efficient manner. Electrical toolset, this particular industries that could cover, if you are working on creating your control panel designs, you're working on schematics and control panels, this is a perfect solution for you. When we speak of AutoCAD electrical toolset, that gives an access for around 65,000 intelligent libraries. These libraries are being categorized based on the manufacturers. So the manufacturers for electrical designers, they might be utilizing the Siemens or ABB or E10, whichever manufacturing that are common around the market you are utilizing. Yes, we can find those symbols of electrical components that are available for you to access. The design for a control panel are being synchronized by from the schematics directly. So if there is any changes that are being created in the schematics, that gets reflected in AutoCAD electrical toolset by using AutoCAD electrical toolset in the control panel. So that saves your time to a next level. MEP toolset. MEP is a combination of mechanical, electrical, plumbing, where you will be able to improve your efficiency to around 85%. Here, all the designers, they could access around 10,000 plus mechanical, electrical, and plumbing objects that are being predefined and available for the MEP users. And one of the major advantage of utilizing MEP is that you will be able to find the collision detection option, which helps you to give a detailed report on what are all the list of items that have been getting collided in your drawings, and provide an update on all the data. We do have the feature of design duct and electrical duct, even creating your HVAC designs for your drawings. Plan 3D toolset. Plan 3D toolset is an overall potential tool where you'll be able to create your P&ID and your 3D model. So if you're working in any P&ID design or pipeline designs, we are here to give a best solution for you. Where in the part of AutoCAD Plan 3D, you can able to create a PNID that gets integrated with your 3D model. Apart from that, we are providing you a benefit of utilizing the software that gives a perfect solution of converting your entire 3D model into isometric drawing or orthographic drawing that creates that have been created on the back end, not while you're working, so that your file size or your system is not getting hanged in your designs. Map 3D toolset, this particular software that gets incorporated when you convert GIS data and CAD data using the supportable design data. So here, uh, there's a bigger advantage of utilizing the FDOs. FDOs are the feature data object where you can find the drawings are getting reflected, and also the GIS data are getting converted. The beautiful part of using Map 3D is that the FDOs recognizes the layers in your drawing. It helps you to recognize what are all the list of layers with respect to roads, buildings, any parks, anything we create in our design. Yes, you'll be able to find those layers are getting updated, and you'll be able to track those layers for your designs. More effective, right? The last toolset, raster design toolset. Among seven, this specific raster design toolset is not an industry, but it is an industry technology that could actually save a lot of time for the designers. We can still find our designers who are working on the process of converting PDF drawings into drawing file. But using raster design toolset, you'll be able to convert your image files into drawing files with a greater advantage. When a designer is working to convert your image drawings, or when they try to work on setting up your polylines, they might end up with a feature that they cannot scale it, they cannot add dimensions to it, they cannot add annotations to it. But by utilizing the raster design toolset, that is a best class software that helps you to edit the scan drawings, convert raster images, and also multiple entities into drawing objects. Here, it helps you to clean up your entire image. You're manipulating raster entities and create the perfect vector shapes for your designs. On an overall, by utilizing AutoCAD specialized toolset, you'll be able to access all these seven softwares as a single bundle. So if you are into architectural toolset, you can make use of MEP and also raster design toolset to improve your efficiency. If you are into mechanical toolset, you can make use of manufacturing or mechanical industry. You can make use of mechanical toolset, you can make use of plan 3D toolset, and also raster design toolset. So definitely, it is a combined solution for all the industries, to for you to work with, either you are into architecture or you are into manufacturing or anything in between. This is more potential where you'll be able to save a lot of time for your designs. When we say community benefits, there are multiple benefits when you purchase a software. It is not just we provide the software, it is more than that. We are providing a bigger relationship within our customers, that we are supporting our customers to experience an additional support from the Autodesk team that they are providing across globe. On and moderate, this community could also help you on decreasing your IT workload by tapping or just to engage with our experts who are more knowledgeable, and they are working 24 by 7, which is also being supported in a multiple 12 different languages, including Portuguese, Spanish, and much more. Connect. In terms of connecting, building your network by getting involved in Autodesk community is what we expect a lot. Meeting your peers that who are joining the discussions and learning more out of the topic, ranging them to a collaboration, and also the trend new objects or even the features that helps you to upscale your opportunities. Growing, learning in terms of community and experting experts from the experts and industry peers isn't demand for us, right? This cannot be taken in online, but it could be taken only through experience. So we are providing you that experience through Autodesk University, exploring free certifications and course that helps you to support your soft skill and develop your professional reputation by sharing your knowledge in Autodesk community, inspiring the support that needs for next generation of local community by just volunteering a team of Autodesk software in terms of expertise and also in terms of industry knowledge that Autodesk offers in free based on the standards that are available. So if you are done or if you are working with any industries, yes, AutoCAD provides you the best solution class experience where you'll be able to get connected, get support, and we help you to grow, and we also get inspired from your work that is getting improved day by day.
Thank you for tuning in. Ready to build your expertise? Then explore how AutoCAD can transform your next project. Because with AutoCAD, it's not just about using tool. It's about designing the future. Want to go deeper? Check out our upcoming videos where we'll be breaking down toolset specific workflows and real-time industry challenges from manufacturing to architecture and everything in between. Let's build together.